Hi, my name is David Gill. I'm here with clients today showing properties in Fuengirola and Mijas area, and I am a buyer's agent or personal shopper real estate agent. My work is try to help people to find a property in all Costa del Sol area, and we try to assess our clients in all the different situations and terms that they need. The legal assessment, find the property, post-buying service, and everything related to the property.
Tell me, why is it interesting for a foreigner
Client.
who is interested in buying in Spain to contact
Yes.
you? Why would that be?
It's very important because the Spanish market can be very complicated in many terms. Sometimes you see advices in internet and then you visit the property and the property is completely different. And also it's very important, not all the properties are in the market. If you browse the main websites, you can see part of the market, part of the properties.
Okay.
Many properties in Spain right now are not in the market because owners doesn't want the property to be announced because you have occupiers, we have a problem with people getting in the property. So many properties are not in the market. That's why we know the properties are being sold but not in the market. So it's one of the reasons we need to contract a personal shopper in this case.